Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to set your timer for any Royal Enfield bikes with this display. So in order to do this, as you can see, it's now here 7:24 p.m. and here it's 2:15 p.m. So in order to do this, all you have to do is press this button and press once to get to trip A, press to get to trip B, and then press again to bring it to odometer. Once you bring it to odometer, keep pressing it, and while you keep pressing it, you will see that the first sign of the time is blinking. Now when it's blinking, press once and then press simultaneously to bring it to your desired time. So I'll bring it to 2, and then as you can see it's 2:15 now. Then long press this again to take it to the minutes one. Now it's gone to the minutes one, and I will just set it by pressing it once simultaneously, and as you can see it's now 2:16, and I will just bring it to 2:16. Once I have done this, I'll just leave it, don't touch it if you want it to be in PM, and if you want to change it, then press it long again to take it to the AM or PM bar. As you can see now the PM is blinking. If you want to do it into AM, then press this button once, and as you press it, it's gone to AM. But I want the PM, I will press it again to get to PM. Once it's done, I will just long press this. As I long press this, as you can see, the time is set. Thank you for watching.